Welcome to SG Riders. What's up, riders? If you love stylish commuters with power, mileage, and next-gen tech, you're in the right place. Today on SG Riders, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new Honda SP125-2026. This future-ready motorcycle brings smart features, fresh design updates, and improved performance, making it one of the most exciting 125 cubic centimeters bikes on the road. So watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to SG Riders for more upcoming bike updates. New design and styling, sportier than ever. The 2026 Honda SP125 comes with a sharper and more aggressive design. Honda has clearly focused on making this commuter look premium and sporty. The fuel tank now gets bolder tank extensions with sharper cuts, giving the bike a muscular stance. The side panels are redesigned with a layered finish, while the split-style grab rail adds a modern touch. At the front, the bike features a new full LED headlight with a sleek DRL signature. The LED turn indicators and LED tail lamp complete the premium lighting package. Overall, the design feels inspired by bigger sport bikes while still keeping daily usability in mind. Brand new TFT digital display. One of the biggest upgrades in the Honda SP125-2026 is the fully digital TFT instrument cluster. This color display shows speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, mileage, trip meters, and real-time fuel efficiency. The screen is bright, clear, and easy to read even in direct sunlight. Honda may also introduce Bluetooth connectivity, allowing call alerts, SMS notifications, and navigation assist through a smartphone app. This feature makes the SP125 one of the smartest bikes in its segment. Engine performance and refinement. Powering the Honda SP125-2026 is an updated 124 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine developed by Honda Motor Company. This engine is expected to produce around 10.8 horsepower of power and 10.9 Newton-meters of torque, tuned for smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine is BS6 Phase-2 compliant and comes with Honda's enhanced fuel injection system. Gear shifts feel smoother thanks to a refined 5-speed gearbox, making city riding effortless and highway cruising stable. Mileage and riding comfort. Mileage has always been Honda's strong point, and the SP125-2026 continues that legacy. The bike is expected to deliver 65 to 70 km per liter, depending on riding conditions. This makes it perfect for daily commuters and long-distance city riders. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and a rear hydraulic shock absorber, tuned for Indian and South Asian road conditions. The seat is well cushioned, offering comfort for both rider and pillion, even on longer rides. Safety and braking features. In terms of safety, the Honda SP125-2026 gets front disc and rear drum brake options, along with CBS, Combi braking system, as standard. Wider tubeless tires provide better road grip and stability, especially during sudden braking. New color options. Honda is expected to launch the SP125-2026 in exciting new colors such as metallic red, matte black, pearl blue, gray silver, and a special dual-tone edition. These colors enhance the bike's sporty appeal and attract younger riders. Final verdict. The Honda SP125-2026 is a perfect blend of style, technology, performance, and mileage. With its TFT display, LED lighting, refined engine, and bold new design, it clearly raises the bar in the 125 cubic centimeters commuter segment. If you enjoyed this detailed review, like the video, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to SG Riders for more future bike updates. See you in the next one. Ride safe and ride smart. Motorcycle Fire.